Makeovers. Welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you the notification when I upload my new videos. Let's get started. Here's the bench that I'm using that I actually have. Mine is actually gray. Here is the board that I'm using as a template, and I'm actually using this bottle glass tool to actually cut out my circles inside the foam board that I'm using. So that's what you see me doing here. Take a look. Once I have finished with my template foam board, this will be used on top to actually cover. This is the back side of the bench that I took apart, and this is the board that I actually purchased from Home Depot, which I like, and I'm gonna use it underneath. Here is the foam that I'm using. I believe it's a 1 inch, as you can see, and I'm going to double up on it. Here you see me actually laying the first layer of it. It's actually long. I had to cut it to make 2 pieces. Once I cut it and lay it on top, I'm going to use the template and actually create my circles using my black permanent marker to mark all of the holes, and this is what you see here, so I'll know where to cut. Here you see me actually going back over the first layer of the foam and making my circles through. This is the actual bench that I spray painted gray a while back, and I'm tired of the look, and you see me cutting out the circles. Actually, here you see me using the adhesive spray to actually spray on the bench for my foam to actually stick, and I'm measuring both of them, so I'm going to spray, and that's what I'm doing. I'm spraying it once I cut out my circles and actually go all the way through the bottom. The circles go all the way through. You want to make sure you stick something through each circle to make sure it is penetrated, so you'll have a place to actually stick your strings through. So once I finish spraying, I actually take the foam that I marked with the circles, and I'm going to make sure that I align my marks with the bench marks on top of the bench with the foam. So that's what you see me doing here. Once I have them actually aligned in place, then I could go ahead and start making sure that I punch or stick my finger through each hole to verify and make sure that I have a clean hole to actually stick my fingers through, and that I should be able to touch the bottom of the bench top underneath as well. So once I have that done, then I'll go ahead and do the same repeated thing for my second layer of foam.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure, but you know I'm not the same. Say go, we can swim, lose or we can win. I'm so low, baby, it hurts. Forget about the end.
Thank you for watching my DIY channel. Please subscribe, hit like, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to shout out and leave a comment below.